smiley face. Oh wow, smile car. This is so cute. Yellow color card. The card has a smiley face. Do you like it, kids? Now keep it aside. Oh wow! Sea creatures. They all are erasers. Let's open it. Today we will play with it and also learn alphabets, numbers and colors.
Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4. Sky blue and white, blue and white, green, orange, white, violet. You can also separate their parts. This is a whale shark. This is a seal. This is also a whale shark. This is a dolphin. They are so cute. Let's join them again.
No. Hiya.
Do you like it, kids? Now keep them aside. Dolphin, whale shark, seal, whale shark.
No.
Hi kids. Oh wow, a bunny. This is so cute. A yellow color bunny. Do you like it, kids? You can also open this.
Wow! Wow!
Let's open it.
No. Hiya!
Wow, small candies. Let's join it. Now keep it aside. Today we will learn alphabets. Let's start. Oh wow, so many colors. Let's open it. Now at first we will learn colors. This is color brush. Black color, white color, brown color, pink color, purple color, blue color, red color, sky blue color, orange color, green color, yellow color, light green color. Now keep it aside. Oh wow, a dinosaur. Green colored dinosaur. This is eraser. Let's open it.
Wow!
You can also separate it. It is theropods. Do you know that they were meat eaters? They also had powerful legs, but short arms. Let's join them again. Oh wow, a mobile phone. This is so cute. Yellow color, blue color. Let's open it. Oh wow, it is a calculator. Can you see the numbers, kids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Star 0 has. This is so cute. You can also separate the parts. Let's separate. Green color. Let's join them again.
No. Hiya!
Keep it aside. Oh wow! A chick inside the egg. This is eraser also. Let's open it. This is so cute. You can also separate them. Let's separate.
No.
A green colored chick. White colored egg. Join them again. Do you like it, kids? Oh wow, color crayons. Orange color, blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark brown color, red color, green color, brown color, and our last color is purple color. Let's learn numbers. Blue. 1 1 11 1 1 11. Red. 1 2 12 1 2 12. Sky blue. 1 3 13 1 3 13. Green. 1 4 14 1 4 14. Dark brown. 1 5 15 1 5 15. Orange. 1 6 16 1 6 16. Yellow. 1 7 17 1 7 17. Purple. 1 8 18 1 8 18. Red. 1 9 19 1 9 19. Brown. 2 0 20 2 0 20. Now say with me, kids. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning.